After 6 years, we're finally going to do it in the bedroom.
Ooh.
Stay tuned.
That's right, but it's not exactly what you thought it might have been. We have been on the same mattress that came with the rig for
With
6 years.
With the topper.
We've had a topper put on it, and it's gotten us by, but we have had a few weeks that we've been out, and usually by that third week we're starting to feel it. So Tina and I decided to go ahead and try something that might help benefit you guys. So since we're not full-timers, you know, at best we're going to be what, a couple 3 months at a time, maybe. We decided to go ahead and not try the $1,200 or the $1,400 mattresses that everybody's talking about. We're going to try a mattress from Amazon, and we'll put a link down below to the ones we bought, and we're going to give it a try, and we'll report back to you guys later on how well it worked out.
Yeah.
So first things first, we need to get rid of the old mattress back here and unroll the new one, which we've never done anything like this before, so this is brand new to all of us. All right, so first thing, let's get on the existing mattress. Well, as you can see, we finally got it up here in the bedroom. And a few years ago when we put the topper on it, it was a little bit too much for the
hydraulics.
The arms for the bed, and we couldn't hardly lift it up. So I bought some new ones.
And now we can't hardly
keep the thing closed. Let me check this out. Watch that. Man. Ready? Here we go.
Oh wow.
So, all right. Now we're going to put the box on top of this, hold it down, and then start opening it up.
Oh God, it fits.
I'm sure it will. All right, so we need to find out for sure what side is front. Looks like there's some instructions right here, possibly. Okay, there's the mark for scissors. I'm going to assume this line means front, so this needs to be up here.
Okay, here we go.
All right, well, let's get this like this. Okay. All right.
Wait, I'm confused. Is this how wide it is? This might be too wide for a pink bed.
Well,
I always go.
so we started to roll this out, and it looks to be like a really tight fit in between the two side tables. Now I think it's all because of the extra plastic here, and maybe when it's rolled up it's squeezing out on the sides a little bit. So I just went out and measured the old mattress, and it said 60, and I think that's what this one is supposed to be, 60. And we'll find out here in a moment.
Here we go. Oh Lordy.
All right, so always
Wow.
Yeah, that was quick. Let's put this down a little bit. It might not be heavy enough. Okay, so we got the mattress in place. I had a little cut on my arm and I left a little spot of blood on the brand new mattress. Guess what? It wiped right up. So I guess kudos so far on the sustainability. We're gonna give it a few days to air out.
Yep.
And then we're gonna put this to the test. And you can read into that whatever you want. So here we go.
New bed.
New mattress.
Yes. Oh,
And
nice.
much needed.
Yes.
So, all right. Difficulty. It wasn't too terrible.
Nope.
Tina and I brought the box in, as you saw in the video, and just unboxed it. She pulled it out of the boxes. That was pulling the box itself.
Yep.
And it did come out kind of upside down. We had to flip it over.
Yeah.
So the white side is up and that gray side is down. I'm not sure why they rolled it up that way. Maybe I don't know. Anyway, so just make sure that you got the white side up, like the right side up. And yeah.
We're gonna give it a try and see how
give it a try. We're getting ready to head out for a week. And we're gonna let this thing air out for, what did it say?
24 to 72 hours.
24 to 72 hours.
Right.
So that's about right. We'll be leaving on Monday.
Right.
So it's got 2 full days to expand, and I don't smell too much off gassing.
I don't either.
Sometimes these things will like have an odor to it, but it's not bad. It smells new.
I can already tell it's so comfy.
Yeah. It's,
And it hasn't even fully expanded yet.
yeah, it's still expanding,
Yeah.
but it's definitely more comfortable than what we had.
Definitely.
All right. Well, that's it for this little episode, and we'll kind of give you guys updates along the way.
3 weeks later.
All right, it has been 1 month since we put this mattress in place, and we've slept on it for how long?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. And in that 2 weeks trial, I think we can honestly say that this is on par with the mattress in our house, which is a Tempur-Pedic mattress. And by the way, both of the mattress in the home and this mattress is a hybrid mattress. So again, we'll leave the links below on the mattress that we purchased.
Now, when I ordered this mattress, I meant to order the medium mattress. And I accidentally ordered the medium firm. So I have to say, it's been pretty comfortable. I was a little nervous about it because I accidentally ordered the wrong thing. But it's been really comfortable. And
yeah, I think, yeah, so the medium would probably be what you would want to order, but surprisingly, the medium firm has been fine,
Yes.
at least fine by me. And I'm a back sleeper, and you are a
stomach sleeper.
stomach sleeper. So it really depends, and it's kind of hard to find these things. I mean, you know, if you have couples that have different needs, you know,
Yeah.
medium's probably the way to go. Okay, so now let's talk about a pro and a con. Okay, I think the pro is...
The cost. The cost is around less than $300.
Yeah.
And that's pretty reasonable.
I think it's very reasonable. I mean, if you're a weekend warrior or a vacationer, a 1 week vacationer throughout the year, you know, save yourself some money and get something that is just as good as some of the higher cost mattresses.
Right.
And I think there's a lot of pros to this, but I think that's the number one.
Yeah.
As far as a con, what would be a con?
The mattress is heavy.
Yep.
So because it's so heavy, we now have to change out our struts.
Yep.
Because it's hard to lift up.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to.
As you saw earlier in the video, we had the whole issue with the strut popping up all the time. Now it's hard to lift up. So I'll probably add another booster strut in there or something to help that lift.
So overall, it's been a great mattress. And if we had to do it again, we would definitely do it again.
I think so.
Yeah.
All right. So again, we'll leave links below for this mattress, and any comments you have, please, you know, drop them down below, and we'll report back how this thing progresses along throughout the year.
All right.
All right. Talk to you soon.